Hey friends, I have to show you what I'm making today in Pampered Chef's Deluxe air fryer. I'm using the new Skewer set, and I have some pineapple chunks that I marinated in Rumchata, which is basically rum with heavy whipping cream. So these are gonna be amazing. So what I'm gonna do, let me close the door here. I'm gonna put this on air fry for 10 minutes. Let's see here, 10 minutes. By the way, I put some of our French toast popcorn seasoning on the top. So 10 minutes, I'm gonna press the rotate button and turn the light on, and then I'll open the door so I can show you what's going on here. But check this out. Roasting pineapple on our new skewer set. So these will take 10 minutes, and then you can serve them with whipped cream, you can serve them with ice cream, or you can eat them all by themselves. If you're interested in the new skewer set or the deluxe air fryer, they are both available for purchase today. Just leave a comment and let me know if I can help you.